Computer science videos here today to show you guys and ask the question in today's video: what can we really store in a 64 MB SD card that is mini SD? Without further ado, let's start the video. So in this tutorial and video, you will need to have access to a Mac computer, a memory card reader, and the memory card itself. This is an old school memory card, which is why the capacity is so less. 64 MB at that time was very revolutionary. Now we have mobile phones with capacities of half a terabyte. Let us insert the USB into the memory card reader and that then into the Mac computer. So now we are just waiting to see the memory card on screen. We have connected. So now we have Untitled. We can click on the 64 MB memory card, increase the size of the Finder window, and now we have the information that goes all the way back to 2003. And the last time we had actually put something in was maybe about 2000, and let me just right click and add date created. No, that's not good. Date added, is that any good? No. So we're talking about 2011. Yes. So we can now sort by kind. So we have, if we group again, kind, folders and music in the memory card that was once very revolutionary. We're talking about 2004-05 at that time. So we can examine images. What do we have? That looks like a burger from 2000, maybe 8 or 9. Wow, 12 years ago. And we have a couple of songs. So we can store some information. Oh, now it looks like it has ejected itself. And now come back, eject it again. I will remove this. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.